People think Alibaba is just another online shopping website, but that belief is exactly why most people will never understand how real money is made. Alibaba doesn't sell phones, clothes, or gadgets. It doesn't run warehouses like a traditional retailer, and it doesn't depend on products to survive. Yet it generates billions of dollars every year. Not loudly, not aggressively, but quietly, through a system so powerful that most users don't even notice it working. Today, I'm going to break down how Alibaba really makes billions and why its business model is far more dangerous than it looks. Welcome back to the channel, where we don't talk about motivation, shortcuts, or fake success stories. Here, we break down how real empires are built, how billion-dollar companies actually operate, and how systems quietly control money, attention, and power. If you want to understand business at a deeper level, make sure you subscribe, because what you're about to hear will change the way you see companies forever. Alibaba was never meant to be a store. When Jack Ma started it in 1999, he wasn't trying to sell products to customers. He was trying to connect businesses to buyers. That single difference changed everything. While most companies ask, "What should we sell?" Alibaba asked, "How can we become the place where selling happens?" And that mindset is the foundation of its billions. When you open platforms like Taobao or Tmall, you're not shopping from Alibaba. You're entering a massive digital marketplace where millions of sellers are competing for your attention. Alibaba owns that attention. Sellers pay to open stores, pay commissions on sales, and pay extra to get their products seen. The more competition there is, the more money Alibaba makes. It doesn't matter who wins between sellers, because Alibaba wins either way. No inventory risk, no manufacturing cost, no unsold stock. Just pure platform power. But the real engine behind Alibaba isn't selling space. It's selling visibility. Advertising is where the money explodes. Alibaba tracks what users search for, what they click, what they ignore, what they buy, and when they buy it. This data allows Alibaba to sell hyper-targeted ads to sellers who want their products at the top of search results or recommended by the algorithm. Sellers are not paying for ads, they're paying for survival. Because if you're not visible, you don't exist. Alibaba understands this, and it monetizes attention better than almost any company in the world. What makes Alibaba truly unstoppable is data. Products can be copied, prices can be beaten, but data at scale is almost impossible to replicate. Alibaba doesn't just see transactions, it sees behavior. It knows what will trend before it trends. It knows which price converts best. It knows which users are ready to spend and which ones are just browsing. This allows Alibaba to optimize everything, from recommendations to advertising, creating a loop where data creates better performance, and better performance creates more data. While most people focus on shopping apps, Alibaba quietly built another giant in the background, Alibaba Cloud. This is one of the largest cloud computing businesses in the world, offering storage, AI tools, security, and enterprise solutions. Cloud businesses don't look flashy, but they are incredibly powerful. Once companies and governments depend on your infrastructure, they rarely leave. This creates recurring revenue, long-term contracts, and deep control. Alibaba didn't build this for today's profits, it built it for the next decade. Then comes logistics, another area where Alibaba shows its intelligence. Instead of owning millions of trucks and warehouses, Alibaba created Cainiao, a smart logistics network. Cainiao connects delivery partners, optimizes routes, predicts demand, and reduces costs using data. Alibaba controls the system without owning the physical assets. As orders increase, logistics activity increases, and Alibaba earns without carrying heavy operational burdens. Control the network, not the trucks. Payments complete the ecosystem. Through Alipay, Alibaba positions itself directly between people and money. Every transaction creates a small fee. Loans, insurance, and investment services multiply those earnings. Users feel like they're simply paying for things, but Alibaba is earning silently in the background. Small margins, massive volume, unstoppable scale. Alibaba also plays a long global game. Platforms like AliExpress and Lazada allow it to enter emerging markets early, where growth is just beginning. Alibaba doesn't rush profits. It builds ecosystems first. Once people depend on the platform, money naturally follows. This patience is something most companies don't have, And it's why Alibaba continues to grow even under pressure. The real secret of Alibaba is simple but powerful. It doesn't chase products. It controls traffic, data, infrastructure, and trust. It places itself in the middle of buyers and sellers, businesses and customers, money and movement. And whoever controls the middle controls the flow of value. That's how Alibaba makes billions without selling products, without loud marketing, and without taking traditional risks. If this video changed the way you see business, hit the like button so more people can learn how real systems work. Subscribe if you want more deep breakdowns of billion-dollar companies and hidden business models. And comment below which company you want me to break down next. I'll see you in the next video.